Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Pachnanda Creations. Thanks to all of you for liking and subscribing to my channel. Today we will learn to make this beautiful mandala dot art design. Many of you might already know that mandala art is also a form of meditation as it takes a lot of concentration and time. I have taken this 12 by 12 card sheet and painted it with the black poster color. I will be using the following tools and red, pink and white poster color. The acrylic colors can also be used for the same. So let's get started. Now this beautiful mandala painting is ready. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such art and craft videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification as soon as I upload another video. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting. Bye bye.